Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing world of star fruit, also known as carambola. This tropical fruit, with its distinctive star shape, is not only visually appealing, but is also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your overall health. We're talking about boosting your immunity, supporting heart health, and even giving your skin a radiant glow. Stick around to discover 7 incredible health benefits of this tropical wonder that you probably never knew. Trust me, after learning about all the amazing things star fruit can do for you, you'll be adding it to your grocery list every week. Let's kickstart our journey with one of the most vital aspects of well-being, a strong immune system. Star fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C, a key nutrient that plays a crucial role in boosting our immune function. Vitamin C acts like a powerful antioxidant, effectively neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage our cells and weaken our immune response. Just one serving of star fruit can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C requirement, making it a delicious and convenient way to fortify your body's natural defenses. So next time you're looking for a tasty way to strengthen your immune system, reach for a juicy star fruit. A healthy gut is truly the foundation of overall well-being. Star fruit is rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which act like tiny brooms, sweeping through our digestive tract and promoting regularity. This dynamic duo of fiber and star fruit ensures things are moving along smoothly, reducing the chances of discomfort and digestive issues. Incorporating star fruit into your diet can help keep your digestive system happy and balanced. We all know that maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for a long and vibrant life. Star fruit is a good source of 2 essential minerals that are crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels: potassium and magnesium. Potassium acts like a natural vasodilator, relaxing the walls of our blood vessels, which helps to lower blood pressure and reduce strain on the heart. Incorporating star fruit into your diet can be a tasty way to give your heart some extra love. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly bombarded by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and various health problems. Star fruit is jam-packed with powerful antioxidants. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like star fruit into our diet, we're giving our bodies the ammunition they need to fight back and stay healthy. This can translate into a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and even Alzheimer's. Maintaining a healthy weight is a goal for many, and it's not just about fitting into our favorite jeans. It's about feeling our best and reducing the risk of weight-related health issues. Star fruit checks all the right boxes when it comes to weight management. It's incredibly low in calories, making it a guilt-free snack or addition to meals. So if you're looking for a delicious and satisfying way to support your weight loss goals, star fruit can be your new best friend. Who doesn't love having healthy, glowing skin? It's a sign of vitality and overall well-being. Star fruit, with its impressive nutritional profile, can actually contribute to a more radiant complexion. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. By fighting off environmental aggressors, antioxidants can help to prevent premature aging, reduce wrinkles, and promote a healthy, youthful glow. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for our overall health and well-being, especially for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Star fruit has a relatively low glycemic index, which means it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after consumption. This makes star fruit a smart choice for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels and prevent those energy roller coasters. By incorporating star fruit into a balanced diet, you can enjoy its delicious flavor while supporting healthy blood sugar regulation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the health benefits of star fruit, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition facts. Adding star fruit to your diet is like giving your body a delicious gift packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some star fruit and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. See you in the next video.